I think more likely is that as an action taker, you've probably been taught to function above your technical threshold.
Mm-hmm.
And so you start to question if you're doing the right things when you drop down to what's technically a normal amount of
Mm-hmm.
effort.
Yeah, no, that makes sense. Well, and I definitely found myself like when I paid for a studio membership that I like had to reserve a spot in a class for, I never not showed up. Like I always went because I viewed it as an outside external promise to someone else.
Yeah, well, the person teaching the class, if you weren't there, that would be frustrating to them. If you filled the spot and someone else couldn't be in the class because you filled the spot and then you weren't there, that's disappointment to them. I totally get that, and I think there's ways that you actually utilize that to be the kind of pressure you need based on what you're wanting or looking for.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Like if I made our business about me, I
Right,
I just
right,
literally like it wouldn't be.
right. I
I mean,
wouldn't show up to
half
shit.
of it literally might even be, as crazy as this sounds, you and I having a partner may be
That,
a
yes.
massive part of it because
Well, and that's why when we talk to our incubator clients about like, I get you might be nervous or anxious about growing a team and feel like it's really overwhelming, but I promise you having at least one other person in your corner can help you hold yourself accountable like no other in all the best ways. And I think we've been asked so many times, you know, how have you guys grown in the way that you've grown and how have you guys seen the results that you've gotten over the years, and it's not innately like, oh, it's because our superpowers come together and we can just take over the world and we're so smart together and all of these things. There's definitely aspects of that, but it's truly because I show up because you're there, because I can't not do this thing over here and I can't wait keep pushing this thing over here. And as our team has grown, that's come even more. Deadlines have held even firmer than they've had in the past because
yeah,
there's more than, because even with you, it's super easy to just be like, I'm not doing this or I'm going to push this or whatever.
yeah,
And we've had that relationship over the years. But when there's members of our team that are waiting on me to do something so they can do something over here, I'm going to do that thing.
yeah.